This week, an image came out online for the AI Plus Nova 2 5G smartphone, which will be launched in India on June 25th. Now, it is found that AI Plus is a part of NxtQuantum Shift Technologies. Will also launch a smart wearable category, which will be the first product or one of the first product being a smartwatch with a built-in TWS. One tipster has shared images of AI Plus smartwatch retail box, which suggests the smartwatch will be a part of a wearbuds lineup and will be called Wearbuds Watch 3. There's also text showing the branding which reads Smart Band Stored TWS. The box does not display the watch images, but an outline gives an idea of a wearable and TWS design, with the latter using silicon tips for passive noise cancellation. The tipster has said that, like the smartphone, the AI Plus smartwatch will be manufactured in India. The AI Plus Nova series will come in India with 3 distinct 5G smartphone models, priced between 5,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees. One of them is the Nova 2 5G, whose price is unknown, but the tipster shares that the price of the two phones will be unheard of. The Nova 1 5G will be priced 5,000 rupees. The Pulse one will be priced at 6,000 rupees. So it's very interesting to see what's coming.